Students of Saint Soldier Divine Public School Jalandhar-Amritsar Byepass, followed by the teachers, had a 2-day nature trip which was organized by Pushpa Gujral Science City. The aim of this camp was to provide the students an opportunity to go beyond the limits of school, develop their experimental, critical thinking and problem-solving skills, and inspire them to pursue their curiosity and creativity in science. During these 2 days, the students were engaged in a plethora of exciting activities, including science experiments, visits to the historical places, interaction with eminent faculty, and so on, which allowed them to be a part of the exciting student life at Science City. In the end, students said that they had a wonderful time during this camp and waited for the new events which will be organized by the Science City.